Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook cecina. First, ensure your cecina is completely thawed. This usually takes about 1 full day in the refrigerator. Next, gently pat the meat dry with paper towels. Removing excess moisture promotes a beautiful sear. Then, slice the cecina against the grain into strips roughly 1/4 inch thick. This simple preparation step guarantees tender, flavorful results every time you cook. For pan frying, begin by heating a sturdy skillet over medium-high heat until it is quite hot. Add just 1 tablespoon of your favorite cooking oil, like olive or vegetable oil, ensuring it coats the bottom evenly. Carefully place the cecina slices in a single layer, avoiding overcrowding the pan. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust and are perfectly tender inside. If you prefer grilling, preheat your outdoor grill to a medium-high setting, aiming for approximately 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly brush the cecina slices with a small amount of olive oil to prevent them from sticking to the grates. Place the cecina directly onto the hot grill, cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. This method imparts a delicious, smoky flavor and creates appealing grill marks. Once cooked, always let your cecina rest on a cutting board for about 5 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite remains wonderfully moist and tender. After resting, slice the cecina against the grain into smaller, manageable pieces. Serve this flavorful meat immediately with warm corn tortillas, a vibrant pico de gallo, or alongside some grilled onions and peppers for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.